Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Surfer. So in this video I will show you how to edit Gemini images by Canva. So follow the step by step tutorial. So firstly you have to log in Gemini, and then you have to connect your Gemini to Canva. So go to one of your browser, and in the search bar you have to search Gemini. You will get this link, so click on this link. As you can see this, I have already logged in here. So now I have to connect Gemini with Canva. So click on setting and personal intelligence. Click on connected apps and scroll down, and here you will get Canva. So turn on toggle button. Click on allow. We have successfully connected Canva to Gemini. Now we will generate an image. Click on plus icon and select create images. So firstly I will generate an image. So I have provided a prompt and we will generate an image. So click on submit. So we have successfully generated an image, and now we will edit this by Canva. So for this you have to write a prompt. So it will take some time, but it will be worth it. So as you can see this, it is saying that I have converted your generated YouTube thumbnail into a fully editable Canva design. So click on this link. As you can see this, all the file is editable here. So all the items is editable here. So if I want to write here, so you can see this how I have changed it by Canva. So this really helpful for those who are a content creator, researcher, writer. So follow the step by step tutorial. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next video.